The two-lid design allows you to pressure cook and crisp in the same pot. Your pressure lid is the secret to locking in flavor and moisture for tender meals done in a fraction of the time. Pressure cook your favorite soups, stews, and roasts in a fraction of the time. With the pressure lid, slow cook for hands-off cooking when you're on the go. Be sure to adjust the pressure release valve on the pressure lid to the vent position. With the pressure lid, steam veggies and other desired ingredients. You can also use this lid to simmer sauces when using the sear sauté function. Be sure to adjust the pressure release valve on the pressure lid to the vent position. Use sear sauté without the lid for flipping and browning ingredients. To quickly bring out the texture in your favorite meals, drop down the crisping lid. Air crisp French fries using little to no oil. Roast without having to turn on your oven. Broil proteins to quickly add texture and finish your pressure cooked meals. And dehydrate fruits and meats to make your own chips and jerky. Check out ninjakitchen.com for delicious Kickstarter recipes, like this herb roasted chicken.